And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
It is 6:43 on this Thursday morning, and we are starting with a live look outside here in Weslaco, courtesy of Sky 5. High top our KRGV studios. You can see the sunrise out there on the horizon. Absolutely beautiful out there. There's hardly any clouds in the sky. Traffic this morning moving nice and smooth out on the interstate, but it is a bit cooler, so don't be fooled by that beautiful sunrise. It is 58 degrees here in Weslaco, all courtesy of that weak cold front that moved through this morning. You see the winds are out of the north at about 9 miles per hour here in Weslaco, but they are a bit gustier closer to the coast you are. 59 degrees in Rio Grande City, at 63 in McAllen, to 58 in Edinburg, 63 in Raymondville, to 61 in Harlingen, Brownsville, and Port Isabel. You're starting your day at 64 degrees. So yeah, I think you need a jacket, and you'll notice that there are parts of the valley with 10 to 15 mile per hour winds, and that goes for McAllen, Edinburg, Raymondville, Harlingen, Brownsville, and Port Isabel. So with that north wind in place, it's bringing in dry air. So it won't be humid. It'll actually be a fresh start, but that's the reason why it feels a bit cooler out there. Today we're headed up to 74 degrees. That is right at average for this time of year. Well below the record of 96 that was set in 1962. So nothing record-breaking expected in the forecast, but we did have record-breaking heat yesterday. Check this out. Brownsville tied the old record of 86 yesterday. Harlingen broke their record of 85 with 89 as their actual high temperature. McAllen also broke their record of 89 degrees with 93 yesterday. Felt that hot and muggy weather all day yesterday, but today is definitely a nice change of pace. Now, as we look ahead, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you notice it gets a bit warmer each afternoon. We go back above average. Normally we're right at 74 like today, but we go above that, and you're also going to feel the humidity kick it up a notch as we roll it back into the weekend. We'll be at 88 on Saturday, followed by 90 degrees on Sunday. So we do have those changes, and it's going to be very breezy this weekend, so be ready for that. Now we have a cold front early next week, and it's going to increase the cloud cover. It's also going to be a little bit cooler, and we're going to have showers and thunderstorms. It'll actually start Sunday night going into Monday and Tuesday, but then we're back to dry conditions by the middle of the work week. If you are headed to the coast today, there's a small craft advisory for the offshore waters through noon. Bay goers, here we go. We have a choppy bay water this morning, so you're advised to use caution. That will subside later on this afternoon to a moderate chop. Seas will range 3 to 7 feet. Fishermen, your high tide is at 4:29 later on this afternoon. Your day planner forecast shows that we'll gradually warm up from 61 up to 71 by noon. 74 is your daytime high, and that's where we'll be at about 5 o'clock this evening. Overnight, the clouds will thicken up. 61 will be your overnight low. The winds are going to become very light, and then they're going to pick up out of the southeast tomorrow. That'll draw in a lot more moisture. We'll have partly sunny skies. It's going to feel muggy out there. 83 going up to 88 by Saturday, 90 by Sunday. And then here comes the front. 76 on Monday, drops to 68 by Tuesday. Valentine's Day, it looks a bit cool. A little cloudy with some showers, but it will start to dry out, and by Wednesday we're back near 71 with mainly sunny skies. We do have a few nights this week that'll be rather cool. Actually, it'll be next week in the mid to low 50s, but until then we're going to remain in the mid to upper 60s through the weekend. That's your updated First Warn 5-4.